Hey guys, it's Ava and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today I'm going to be doing part 3, of making slime with my grandma. Say hi!
Hi!
So last time we did a 5-minute timer video. Now we're only going to have 3 minutes. Can you believe that? So I definitely think she won last time. So we can have a 3-minute timer right there, so you know we're not cheating. So you can make any slime you want. I am going to help her because she's new to the slime thing. So let's go. Make sure to subscribe. Comment down below who you think won this episode of, what's it called? What did I call it in the beginning of the video? Grandma Making Slime with Me, part 3. So, oops, I already set the timer. Whoopsie. So let's set the timer.
Again.
Sorry. Set the timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. We only have 3 minutes. Okay. Do you want to use clear glue or white glue?
Yeah, that one.
White glue?
Yeah.
All right. Tell me when to stop.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Thanks.
I'm only going to have a little bit of glue because I'm adding shaving cream, and shaving cream makes a lot of slime. So, I don't want to add. So you can go add whatever you want.
Shaving cream.
So I'm going to add.
Oh, you don't have to mash this.
Shaving cream.
Oh my goodness.
And mix that together. I'm making fluffy slime. So
I'm curious.
come on, we only got 2 minutes left. Go, go, go. You gotta hurry up.
Not gonna finish.
We can give an extra 1 minute if we need. I'm making that a rule. Alright. So I just added my shaving cream. Now I'm adding some blue glitter. And some gold glitter. Oh my god, we have 2 minutes
Pink
left.
one.
Holy moly.
Actually.
We have 2 minutes left, guys. What? How did the time go by so fast? Now I know how people feel when they get when they have 30 seconds to make slime. Okay, so I'm adding baking soda now because we don't have a lot of time left.
Can I have baking soda too?
Yes, you
Oh
can.
my goodness, you have a big plate over there.
Because I added shaving cream.
Ooh. Shaving cream is like, how you call that? Whipped cream.
It kinda. We have 1 minute.
Whipped cream.
It's going silent because we're so focused. Oops.
No time to talk.
No time to talk.
You gotta go quiet. No more?
Ah! 40 seconds. Okay.
Ava, look at this little. I think it's okay, right? Oh, it's too more.
Ooh. Squeeze. Maybe we can go to CVS later and get some more.
Oh.
Because I ran out. 7, 6. Oh my god, you're going to beat me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up. Alright, so we have
That's so cute.
finished the
stop.
slime making process. I'm just going to try and work with it and hopefully it'll come together. And it needs more activator.
It's really stretchy. Be careful with your shirt.
So I definitely think Ava won this challenge. She won the second challenge, maybe even the first challenge. We don't know yet. But I definitely think I lost.
You did.
So we're just gonna mix these and we'll be right back.
Look, like a snake.
So we just spent a little bit mixing our slimes, and I think mine started to come together. Look. it's starting to like unstick to
Yeah.
my hands.
See?
So
Oh yeah. See?
look.
I think it looks pretty.
So I have some blue and some gold glitter. Maybe I can win after all, but I definitely think you won the second video we made. Because her slime was so good and mine was like rock solid. I put way too much contact station in my slime. But,
Yeah.
so you can comment down below who you think won. Here is my slime. What do you think you're going to name your slime?
I don't.
Here, show the camera your slime. Go like for a close-up. Really nice, huh? So,
Look.
don't let it touch that! Oh. So, here's my slime. I'm going to call mine the White Ocean.
Oh, be careful.
So
Let it
I'm
rain.
calling mine the White Ocean because it has some blue and gold glitter, but it's white. So I think that's what I'm going to call my slime. And
Look. Daddy. It's Daddy.
oh, it's my dad! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please turn the bell button from red to gray. Subscribe. Comment down below who you think won this part of Grandma versus Ava. Was it me, Ava, or was it Grandma? Here, stretch your slime.
We gotta call Daddy for a cell phone.
Here, stretch your slime. Stretch it. Yeah. So I hope to see you guys next time. I'll see you later. Goodbye.